Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So as you can see, Sophie's being a sleepy puppy today, so she's not chewing cables this week, which is great. Hey Sophie, you just continue being cute and sleeping there. This week, we're going to be doing Bratislava Part 2, which is super exciting. I've got some awesome tips and suggestions for you guys. And don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. I love hearing from you guys, so this week I'd like to know what is your favorite thing to do in quarantine. I know that I've been doing a lot of puppy babysitting, a lot of video editing, and a lot of baking. So those are like my 3 top things to do in quarantine. So what are you guys up to? I'd love to know. Not too sure what it is about that particular combination, but they're obsessed with kebab, I don't know how to say it, but they're obsessed with them and pizza, which makes 0 sense in my mind. Wow. Okay, so we just walked into this restaurant called Mandu. They have 2 sections. They've got this like one side that's a baby coffee shop, and then they've got another side just down the road which is their big restaurant. So we're heading to the big restaurant, but we walked inside and they literally have like running chocolate streams of just chocolate. And I kind of wanted to stick my head under it and just drink the chocolate, but it would look just so good. So I'm really excited for breakfast. These places are really busy. There's absolutely no place. We're gonna have to wait a few minutes for a table. So Junebug over here didn't bring enough thin long socks.
I'm now wearing very thick socks and my boots are very tight, so my feet are swelling.
If you need any Slovakian anything, they have everything here. Jen, you're not buying a Slovakian beanie. Another trip for traveling around Slovakia. Most places do only take cash. Like a lot of the bars and the tourist shops will not allow you to pay with card. So do make sure that you have some euros on you, because otherwise you won't be able to buy anything. Also, tourist socks here cost €6.50. So please make sure that you bring the correct number of socks that you need, so that you don't have to pay €6 for a pair of socks. Oh, hot damn.
The most aesthetically pleasing menu you will ever see in your entire life. The smoothie bowls.
Oh, so we finally managed to find a table big enough for all of us, because originally they had us sat at like a tiny little coffee table. So if you do want to eat here and you have a big group, I would recommend making a reservation, as I said earlier. But the food looks incredible, and I think I am going to get the salmon with hollandaise. It looks really good. I hope they can do hard poached eggs, because I don't eat eggs. It's going to be an interesting experience today, guys. Tori's branching out.
There's a lady in my coffee. Like where? Oh.
So I'm now going to be using my new preset. So we're going to go into Lightroom. Whoopsie, wrong picture. We are going to add from camera roll. We're going to click on the picture. And then we're going to scroll across, and we're going to scroll to where it says presets. And we're going to click out. And it has just edited my photo for me.
This is how you make friends in foreign countries. You just dance until someone vibes with it.
Aliya, you go, girl.
Feel my fingers. I can't do this with something.
Hey, look at me, everyone.
I'm in a square right now, and there's a one-man band guy playing, which is really funny. So Aliya started dancing, and this random guy from a hostel starts dancing behind her, and then proceeded to invite us to a night out at the hostel where he is the barman, and promised to get us...
Come and party, I'll get you. That's what he said.
That was his exact wording. So 9 p.m. we have been royally invited to the workout they're getting. Aliya, you're not pedaling fast enough. Embrace your inner spirit. Come on, guys. Are you ready?
Please don't put this on record that I ever looked like
we went to an amazing vegetarian restaurant called Urban House. It's literally right in the heart of the old town of Bratislava, so it's gorgeous in this like old district. And you go inside, it's got a ton of these like bookcases with fairy lights, which are just beautiful and also really great to take photographs in front of. So would definitely recommend if you want to get some cool pictures with some amazing cocktails that look and taste really, really strong. They look amazing and they taste really strong. That's what I can say about them. Me and Tali got a drink called the Frozen Porn Star.
Oh, strong porn star.
Strong but frigid. Oh, the food looks amazing. I got the veg biryani and it looks absolutely amazing. It's like mixed in with like mushrooms and raisins and super yummy things. There's a ton of coriander on top, so I'm gonna try and scrape that off because I don't eat coriander. I like this place. We're coming back. Hi guys, so we just did a stretch. Well, I did a stretch session in the hostel. Everyone else attempted to do a stretch session in the hostel. I'm very proud of them. They tried. Jen actually stretched, so we can be proud of Jen. This is just not productive today. Hi everyone, good morning. It is currently 7 a.m. Like 7 a.m. here, which means that it is way too early for me to be up normally, and I am like dying slowly because we have not had a lot of sleep, which anyway, aside from the lack of sleep, we're all doing good. We have just checked out of our hostel in Bratislava, so we are going to be heading to the bus station and on our way to Vienna, which is really exciting. Also, because this just happened to us, make sure that you have a valid student ID on you, because if your student ID isn't valid, you're going to have to pay extra taxes at most of the hostels that you stay at, which is not fun. Even though it's like an extra €3, it's still like an extra like 3-4 euros, so it's worth it just to make sure that you've got a valid student card on you if you are traveling as a student. Also, something that we didn't get, which was really stupid, is we didn't get they're called ISIC cards, ISIC. Basically, it's like an international student card that allows you to get a lot of discounts while you're traveling. So definitely invest in one of those. I'm not too sure how much the dollar price is. I will try and find out, but I'll link below exactly what that is. This is all of our luggage. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, guys. If you really enjoyed it, remember to click those like and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate every single one, so thank you so much for your support so far. Also, this is a time when I think we really need to be supporting each other and bringing each other up. So in light of that, the two amazing women that I would like to showcase this week are Dressed by Danielle and Tali's Designs. So Dressed by Danielle is a vintage and secondhand company run by one of my really close friends. She hand sources all of her designs and she also upscales them, which means that she takes old pieces and turns them into incredible new showcase items. So you should definitely go and check out her Instagram and her website. I'm going to link them down below. The second amazing boss lady that I want to mention this week is Tali's Designs. So Tali is an incredible graphic artist. She creates the most incredible sketches and videos and just amazing content. She's the one who actually did the GIF that's in my intro video for all of my videos, and I'm so grateful for that. She's truly incredible. So you should definitely head over and check her out. I'm going to put her Instagram as well down below. So don't forget to tune in again next week because we're going to be in Vienna, and we're also going to have a guest star of another vlogger who's also a really good friend of mine, so stay tuned to see who it is.